We talk about how can you enable dark mode on your CC app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on profile down here, you just click on it. So when you click here on profile down, it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this here. Then all you have to do next, you just go here above this sign, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this here. Then you click here on display, you just click on it here. So then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. You click here on dark. So then automatically it's going to change with you to dark mode on your CC app. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking